You won't believe what I found again. Another home bought by a We Buy Houses for Cash investor. And guess what? They didn't even fix it. They flipped it as is. And of course, for more money than what they paid the original seller. Let's break down how this happens and how sellers are losing thousands without even realizing it. This was a single family, one-story frame home in Bloomingdale, which is a suburb just west of Chicago. It was a 2-bedroom, 1-bath home, just under 1,000 square feet, according to the tax records, with a full unfinished basement and radiant heat. So no air conditioning, no central air. You would have to do window units and a 1-car garage. This investor purchased it and had it back on the market, listed with a realtor within 10 days. So let me show you what they paid the owner for the property. Okay, we can see here from the public record that they paid $190,000. Now let me show you their description and photos of the property. Okay, we can see here, this was their description when they listed it with a realtor. 2 homes for sale next to each other. I don't know what that has to do with the property, but incredible investment opportunity, hardwood floors, full basement, garage, huge potential, incredible location, walking distance to most accommodations, close to schools, parks, shops, restaurants, and more. Well inspection completed and included, sold as is. So they bought it as is, and now they're selling it as is. So now let's look at the photos. Okay, you can see from the photos, everything is as is. If they did anything, they removed maybe old appliances. It looks like everything is original in that house. You saw the description. Now let me show you what they sold it. Okay, you can see here from the public record, they listed the property for $249,900. It was under contract in 9 days, and it sold for full asking price, $249,900. Okay, you can see for yourself that, just like they said, they sold it as is. They maybe moved some items out of the property, but that was it. And they turned around, listed it in that short time frame, and sold it for almost $60,000 more than what they paid the owner. So, in my opinion, the owner definitely left money on the table. If it was for convenience, to not have to move anything out, well, that convenience cost them $60,000. So this is just another example of, before you think about selling to any of these investor companies, find out the true market value. Because maybe these owners did, but the cost of convenience was something they didn't care about. If you found this information helpful, please like, subscribe, come back for another video, because now I'm going to start doing kind of an opposite one and showing you problems where people bought homes that were flipped and they wound up with a lot of surprises they didn't want. So I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.